Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to know your F major chord inversions on keyboard. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. Your F major is your Do, Re, Mi. So I want to teach you how to know the chord inversions we have on F major key. So this is your Do, which is your F, A, and your C. Hope you're following. So if you invert it, this F will come up here. You move your hand there. It will now be A, C, and F. That's the first inversion. Hope you're following. So the second inversion, this A will now come up here. So it will now be C, F, and your A. So all together on your Do, you get your Do, Do. Hope you're following. So your Re is your G, your B flat, or you can say your A sharp, and your D. So the first inversion will now be your, this G will now come up here. Hope you're following. So it will now be your A sharp, your D, and your G. That's the first inversion. The second inversion, this your A sharp will now come here. It will now be your D, your G, and your A sharp. So all together you get first inversion, second inversion. Hope you're following. So your Mi, it's your A, your C, and your E. So if you invert it, this A will now come up here. It will now be your C, E, and your A. We are following. So if you invert it again, the second one, this C will now come up here. It will now be your E, your A, and your C. So altogether you get your Mi, Mi, Mi. Hope you're following. So your Fa, this is your A sharp, your D, and your F. The first inversion, this will now come up, will now be your D, your F, and your A sharp. The last one, this D will now come up here, it will now be. So the four, all together you get hope you are following. So the next one is your Saw. Remember, this is your F major chords. Your Saw with your C, your E, and your G. This is also your C major. Your C, your E, and your G. So the first one will now be your E, your G, and your C. So the second one will be your G, your C, and your E. So all together you get we are following. So your next is your La, which is your D, your F, and your A. So the first one, this D will now come up here. It will now be your F, your A, and your D. So the second one, this F will now go up. It will now be your A, your D, and your F. All together you get so your T is your E, your G, and your A sharp. Hope you're saying it. So the first inversion, this E will now go up here. It will now be your G, your A sharp, and your E. So the second one, this G will now go up. It will now be your hope you're getting it. So all together you get, sorry about that. The last one. So what's the advantage of all these inversions? In worship, you use it to harmonize songs. You understand? So you can be playing something like, what a mighty God we serve. You see, you're still on your do, but on a you inverted it. We serve. This is your song. You invert it again. You understand? And heaven and earth adore. See, I'm using the version. What a mighty God we serve. Because He lives. I'm not just playing like this. So I'm inverting it. You understand? So thank you guys. Hope you learned something today. Please do it a like, subscribe, share, and follow. God bless.